Hello Eurovision lovers and welcome here to Eurovision 365. My name is Padraig and I'm a huge Eurovision fan from Ireland, Northern Ireland. It's great to have you here. It's great also to have you here if you happen to be from Norway, and I'm going to react to the winning song from the MGP, which of course has been running now for a few weeks. And shall we have a little reaction to that song? Yes, let's do this. We have a result. We have a result in Norway, and Subwoolfer is the winner. I love his voice. It's very Avicii-like, very stylish, all suited, class voice. This was the favourite to win in Norway, and he did not disappoint tonight. Not at all. Oh, they're joining in. They're actually joining in too. This is very, very clever. I'll go and try and do this dance. I can't do it. I'll try my best. Yes! Give that wolf a banana! So, a lot of people say that one of these guys is Ben Adams from A1. Oh, I love this part. Real dancey. Norway have made a good choice, haven't they, with this song? Oh, what I like about Subwoolfer as well is that they're really leaning into the Masked Singer, which is so popular across the world. Like, who's singing here? It's very good. Give that wolf. Do you know what? I'm going to Torino, and I have got to learn this dance off by heart, don't I? Got some way to go yet. Oh yeah, so we're hungry. This is so good. Yes. Boom. Boom. I think I just seen somebody in the audience eating a banana there. Brilliant. Oh wow. It's okay. We're live. You can see we're live. They just got disturbed there by NORGE news or whatever. Yay! Someone give that with banana. Yes! Love this part. I'll keep quiet. That's so good. So good. Okay. So, I have just tried to dance along to Subwoolfer there, and that was a lot of fun. And if you see my first reaction to the song, I gave that a 7 out of 10 rating, and it's very fantastic song. And what am I going to award this time out of 10? I would like to award Subwoolfer and give that wolf a banana a very strong 8.5 out of 10. So that's increased from my first time watching, and that's based very much on the performance. And as I said throughout, in terms of that, they're very much leaning into the Masked Singer as well, which is so popular. Plus, he's a good singer, whoever he is behind that mask. So that's my thoughts, but what do you think? Are you happy with the result in Norway? You know what to do. You need to let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed that, but on to next time, my Eurovision loving friends, wherever you are, and especially if you're in Norway. You take care, love the music, join in on the fun, please do. And remember that Eurovision 365 is for every day, not just in May. And especially if you're a wolf who needs a banana. Woo, 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 woo. Take care.